So when testing your door magnets, when you set off the alarm, as you can see, this door's shut completely. And it locks back because the alarm's over. But on this one, it released. So it was there, it released, but it won't shut all the way. So make sure to test that. As you can see, it's hitting the floor. So we don't modify that, but we got to fail it on inspection because it didn't let the smoke, the fire doors didn't shut all the way. So they're going to get door people out here to trim some off the bottom of the door. I just want to share that with you whenever you're checking doors after you set off an alarm. Please like and subscribe.